Integral Pedagogical Practice, Unit 1. My name is Alexandra Angarita Torres. I am 25 years old. I live in Obregón, north of Santander. I am a student of the degree in foreign language with emphasis in English, and I am in my 8th semester. My plan to complete with each of the requirements of the ECDEU UNAC pedagogical practice regulation is to take into account two algorithms of the regulation. These are very specific in each of the articles. The excursion of my pedagogical practice and my training as a future teacher is very important. I recognize my commitment and my duties to be able to finish this fundamental complementary stage. The university gave of many opportunities to improve and develop more skill and knowledge that integrate my formative process. I have always tried to perform my practice in the best way. I like to analyze and learning for the teacher who accompany me in the classroom. This is a great opportunity where I will test my skill and my acquired knowledge. It is a very interesting experience because this is where we face the reality of our profession and responsibility. Thank you.